Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to Vlogmas Day 6. Yes guys, we are on Vlogmas Day 6 and I am back with an unboxing video, guys. So we just gonna get right into it, right into the unboxing. This just came in the mail today. I needed this. I'm gonna just unbox it for y'all. Grab some. And here it is. I went and picked up, y'all already know, I tried to order me a Osmo Pocket 3 again. This is the Osmo Pocket 3, the Creator Combo. So it comes with everything. This is exactly what I had that I broke. So I am shipping the other one out. I didn't think this was going to be here in enough time because they were saying it was sold out on all the Best Buy websites. And I was like, okay, whatever. I'll just vlog from my phone on my trip. I really wanted this because of the wide angle lens that it has. So let's just get it open. So I'm back in business and I'm gonna be super duper careful when it comes to this camera because I see how sensitive it is. I'm actually going to go on Amazon right after this, after I unbox this, to see if they have like some type of protective case to go on it. So just in case something like that happen again, hopefully it doesn't happen again. And you know, like I said, I'm just be very, very careful with this. because this is not cheap. It's a decent amount of money. Let me get a quick thumbnail. Y'all know I'm so extra with my thumbnails. All right, so let's just go inside, because my first one, I don't think I unboxed it with you guys. I just opened it, and then I was using it, and then my son was using it more than me. So let's just see what comes inside of the package. It's a very small package. Look like this. Pull this out. And I think everything is already packed up in here, but it's another small box in here. So we're going to open this up. And then all the instructions, the QR codes that you got to scan. It comes with stickers and the instruction book and more instructions. So, you know, it comes probably in different languages. So let's see what's in this little box first. And remember, I said I got the creator kit, so it comes with a lot more than if you just buy the Pocket 3. And I think it's probably like a $100 difference from just buying the camera versus the creator pack. So this is the protective case, but you cannot use this while you're recording. This is just like if you're putting it in a bag or just putting it down somewhere. It does have this protective case. Yeah, it's just a protective case. That's what it say on here. But you cannot use this while you're recording. So, and then it just shows you how to put it in the case. It'd be nice if you can, if it was like a MagSafe case. You know how those cases to protect our phones? It'd be perfect if that was the case, you know. And then you get the little pouch to carry everything in. Let's take it out of here. This is the pouch. The pouch is here, which is super sleek and cute. And then it just have the logo right here, which is, you know, the logo is so cute. So you don't even have to get a bag because it comes with a bag. Now, I'm not for sure if the camera, when you get it just by itself, if it comes with a carrying case like this. Inside the carrying case, you get, of course, the camera. You get the microphone, and it has a clip. So you can clip it on your shirt. You also get a backup battery or extended battery. Now, the camera actually charges on its own, and then you get this backup battery. So you get this battery. Let's open it up. Get this battery here, and then you get a smaller compact battery as well. Very small and compact, so it doesn't make it much bigger than what it is. So it's like that size, and then when you use this one, it's a little bigger. So it's like this. Like this length. See if I can see that. So it makes it a little bigger. I prefer the tiny battery. And then it comes with a little tripod stand. This is the tripod stand it comes with. So the battery will go on here, and then the camera. There's your tripod stand. 2 batteries. And then it comes with a little wind This is for outside. You put this on your mic foot so it doesn't pick up like all the wind. And this is how you see people be outside and it'd be a little windy, but it's not picking up the wind. I can't remember. I don't know if they call it like a windshield or whatever, a muff or whatever. But this goes on the microphone like so. It's a little hole right here on the top. And you're just going to snap that right in there. And then that's how you have your mic with this little wind thing on it, so it doesn't, and it snaps in and it's secure. So soft. And then it comes with a charging cable, and it is a C-to-C charger, and it doesn't come with a block. That's why I said nothing comes with a block nowadays. Oh, and then it comes with a strap to if you want to carry it, which I will probably put mine on here when I go on my vacation. The strap will go on this part of the camera, and then you can just, you know, hold it like this so you don't drop it. And you can tighten the strap if you want, just like that. And that's it. This is adjustable to make the strap adjustable. And it also comes with a magnet for your mic. Like if you don't want to clip it on, you can use the actual magnet. It's a magnet that you can clip the mic on. Let's see if I can get this open. Here's the magnet. And it has the logos on both sides, which is very cute. So this part here is like where you put the magnet. So if you don't want to use a clip, you could just, you know, put this on your shirt and put this in the inside if you want to do it like this. And then it'll just be on your shirt like so with the magnet. Or you could just clip it on the collar of your shirt. Or you could just clip it right here. You can clip it anywhere. I think I like the magnet better than the clip because then it just like folds over. It depends on what you have on. It's like falling over because it's a little heavy. But when you have the magnet it will just sit there just like this. The last piece that it comes with is a wide angle lens. Let's see if I can get this open. Y'all know I'm struggling with my nails. And this is the wide angle lens that it comes with. And it just goes on here like a magnet as well. So it's a magnet and it just sits right on the camera and it gives you a even wider angle. I never used this. I didn't have to. I felt like the angles that I get, I really didn't need a wider shot. So that's just like for people that want to get a lot of like scenery shots and B-roll and things like that. I think it'll come in handy with this. This will come in handy for that. But I actually never used it. I don't think I'm going to use it. So I just keep it right in the bag. And then let me show y'all the bag. It comes, here's the inside of the bag. It has a couple compartments. You can stash like an SD card in here. There's a few things that you can actually stash in here. Nice, spacious, very spacious. You can put your SD card and everything fits so nice and snug. And that's what I love about this because it's so small and perfect. So then this will go in here like this to protect the screen. And this is how it is. If you just want to like throw it in your, well, not throw it. If you want to put it in your purse without putting it in here, I would suggest that you put this protective case over it, and it covers the actual viewfinder and the lens. And it just sits in the case just like this. which is perfect. And then this fits inside of the bag. And look how snug it is in there. Just like perfect. And then the mic, you have a compartment for your microphone, for your charger. Like I said, SD cards. Everything fits nice and neat. And it's very organized. And then it's just like, grab it and go. And then you have so much battery with the 2 backup batteries and the actual camera itself. You can vlog all day. Then everything fits nice and snug in here. It fits nice and snug. So that's it. Perfect. Okay, guys, that is it for this Osmo Pocket 3 unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoy Vlogmas. I am enjoying putting out daily videos for you guys, and I appreciate everyone who's clicking on my videos, who's giving me thumbs up, who's leaving comments. I really appreciate y'all. I'll make sure I'll try my best to get back to everybody in the comment section. Until next time, I'll be back vlogging. So excited. Tomorrow. So I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye-bye.